This Align Right Realty property video is presented by Miriam Hurtado. Move-in ready. Exquisite updates are done. Featuring 4 bedrooms/3 baths, this home brings you interior design based in functionality and an open floor plan intent on making indoor and outdoor living spaces complement each other. Boasting over 2,000 square feet, updates include brand new kitchen, appliances, water-resistant laminate flooring, roof, windows as well as HVAC, all new. Updated landscaping in the front of the home with lots of room for entertainment. Your indoor washer and dryer hookups are in the huge utility room, which gives you plenty of additional storage. This home also offers a lot of potential for its location, only 12 minutes away from the University of South Florida, 25 minutes away from the International Airport, 10 minutes away from Busch Gardens, 24 minutes away from the Buccaneers Stadium, easy access to I-75, I-4, I-275, downtown Tampa, Moffitt Cancer Center, etc. Great opportunity for first-time homeowners or for investors looking to grow their real estate portfolio. The third fastest growing metro area in Florida, HILLSBOROUGH County has been showing a steady economic growth of its diverse economic base that includes technology, health, tourism, finance, construction and population. Put this one at the top of your list and give us a call today for your private tour. Don't miss this opportunity. For more information, review the details below or contact Miriam Hurtado at 619-886-1636.